The larger stones do not lie well within the lesser. Excellence is never an accident. It is always the result of high intention, sincere effort, the wise choice of many alternatives. It's choice that determines our destiny, not chance. One always begins with the simple, then comes to the complex, and by superior enlightenment, one often reverts in the end to the necessary. Such is the course of human intelligence. Your life is the message to the world. Make sure it's inspiring. Our journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step, and our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. You only live once. Make sure it's of your choice and value. Our lives are defined by opportunities, even the ones we miss. The fourth circle is an audio drama which aims for progress and not perfection. It says, if you tickle me, then you will be responsible for your injuries.
What I'm about to say might appear to be a sad story. I would appear to most of you as a damsel in distress. But as my story unfolds, you would know why I became a vengeful dame. So, dinner tomorrow at my place? After my much awaited promotion, I think you deserve a full meal.
Kashish, there's a gossip about you and me in the office that we are seeing each other. The promotion will be given to someone more deserving and younger than you. If the rumors are confirmed, it would subjugate the respect given to me.
What? How could you? I have worked so hard for this position, that too most diligently and honestly, Adarsh. 10 long years I have given for the betterment of this organization. And is this what you give me? I have carefully kept my private and professional life apart just so I could get the promotion. And who is this more younger and deserving candidate coming up in my place who is going to be rewarded with what was to be mine?
Shut up, Kashish! This is my decision. The corporate world is a man's world. A woman is to get in and please him when he wants to, and then pack up and get the hell out of here when he orders her to. Ritya Gill will be given the promotion. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes. I see. Now it's going to be the final blow. Triggering an allergy is not a bad idea. I know. I know how to chase my dream. Hello? Is Nikita available?
Hello, Kashish ma'am. Adarsh sir didn't book the slot for you this time. Do you need a massage?
Oh, yes. I just changed my mind before I start today. Thought of taking a dip in the bliss of your massage.
Sure, ma'am.
Kashish, ma'am?
The shining diamond of our company. It's nice to finally meet you.
Ma'am, you could have called me up. I just want you to know that you inspire me a lot.
What a nice pendant you've got there.
Thanks. It was gifted to me by my fiance.
Oh, that's cute. But to survive in this man's world, you need a little more than a pendant.
Oh. Have a nice day, ma'am. Hello?
Am I speaking to Ridhya Gill?
Yes. Who is this?
This is Dr. Gupta speaking from City Hospital.
Yes.
We would like to inform you that Mr. Adarsh Sharma has been found dead.
What?
He had a cardiac arrest
Adarsh?
while at a spa. We came to know that
How?
you were the last person he called.
No.
So we might need you to come to the hospital if we require it.
Oh, okay, sir. Hello, Krishnan, sir.
Ridhya, have you heard about Adarsh's death?
Yes. It's a great loss.
Well, he was pitching your name for the promotion. But since he's dead, we had to do things hastily. We have decided to give this promotion to Kashish Mishra.
Oh, I see. Well, thanks for letting me know, sir.
Hello, this is Dewdrop Spa. How can I help you?
Hi, I am Ridhya Gill. I am the fiancée of your customer, Adarsh Sharma.
Oh, hello. I'm so sorry to hear about your loss. How may I assist you?
Would you please tell me if any of his colleagues or co-workers had recently come to your spa?
Oh, wait a minute. Let me check the register. Ma'am, Kashish Mishra had come to our spa a day before he had come.
Oh, okay.
I'm very sorry for your loss, ma'am.
Are you the private investigator, Manav Mehta?
Yes. You must be Ridhya Gill, right?
Yeah.
Please take a seat.
Mr. Mehta, let me get to the chase. I recently lost my fiancé to a heart attack.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that.
I think that it was not natural. I have reasons which have led me to believe that it was induced by someone. This is a murder. I really need your help to unravel this mystery.
Okay. But do you have any evidence to back your claims?
No, not at all. But that's where I need your help.
All right. I will look into it. So, Ridhya, do you suspect anybody?
Yes, I do. It's Kashish Mishra.
Hello, Mr. Agarwal.
Hello, Kashish. Adarsh had a heart attack and is sadly no more with us.
What? Oh my god. How?
We need you to come to the office as soon as
My
possible.
god. How can I help?
With the passing away of Adarsh, Mr. Krishnan will be taking up his position. So, someone has to take up Mr. Krishnan's current position. And we thought, who better than you to bestow the responsibility upon? And it is a well-deserved promotion. Isn't that right, Krishnan, sir?
How strange it is. One person's loss becomes another person's gain. Anyways, we are expecting you here.
Oh, sure, sir. I will be more than happy to help the company at this hour of need. I'm coming to the office as soon as possible.
May I come in? Kashish ma'am?
Oh, yes, Anita. Please come in.
Ma'am, there is something very important that needs to be discussed.
What is it? Why do you look so tensed?
With the passing away of Mr. Adarsh, certain production processes have been totally ruined. It was continued at a makeshift basis, and now there is an imbalance between certain agents and chemicals we use in our drinks.
How does it actually affect the drink?
It would really change its composition, color, taste, everything.
And how would it affect the consumer?
Sorry to inform you, ma'am. It would make a person really high if consumed.
Okay. I will see to it. You may leave now. Don't worry.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Mr. Agarwal, may I come in?
Oh, yes, Kashish. Please do.
Sorry for disturbing you at this moment, but I really needed to talk to you.
Okay. What is it?
We have made a blunder in the composition percentage of the product we were supposed to launch.
What? We will be finished completely, Kashish.
Don't worry. I have a plan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was just thinking, why don't we come out with a new product? It would be the same as the one we were supposed to launch, but we can brand it differently. It will be a new product for the younger generation. I swear, they will just love it. Hence, this will bring a newer product and garner huge profit. So we can claim that it is a limited edition and increase the sales price.
That is a good proposal indeed.
I'm confident that in this way we can turn the definite loss into a definite profit.
Well done, Kashish. Well done. You just got the post, and here you have come up with such a huge opportunity for the company. That is commendable.
I'm glad you liked my idea. Let me get back to you on how we can implement this. Hello,
Am I speaking to Kashish Mishra?
speaking.
Your idea to turn the definite loss to a definite profit is really commendable. I must say I'm impressed.
Thank you. And who might you be?
This is Pratham Rajvangshi.
Oh, okay. Can I just call you Pratham?
Sure. And can I call you Kashish?
Yeah, sure.
Kashish, are you free in the evening? Could we have dinner together?
Yes. Yes, I'm free.
Okay then. See you at 8 p.m.
Om Jaiswal?
Kashish Mishra. Come, have a seat.
Thank you. So, have you thought about what I have said?
Yes, I have. But what will I get in lieu of the information I provide about the Rajvangshi family?
I shall give you whatever you want, but I need every bit of information about Pratham Rajvangshi and his family.
Okay. Do you know what I love the most in my life, Kashish? I love details, information, each and every detail.
Alright then. You need detail. I need information. I'm sure we could work out a deal.
I had already agreed to the deal. Otherwise, you would not be sitting here in front of me. Hello? Hello? All right, Kashish. You may leave now.
Goodbye, Mr. Jaiswal.
In the night, watching them fall one by one, they fight. Did you think you loved me too? Baby, I'm a sociopath, sweet serial killer on a wild path. 'Cause I love you just a little too much. I love you just a little too much. You can see me drinking cherry cola, sweet serial killer. I left a love note, said you know I love the thrill of the rush. You know I love the thrill of the rush. Oh, hi Manav.
Hi, I got some pizza for you. A heartbreak should be no reason to punish your stomach.
That is so tasty. Thank you, Manav.
Well, while you are happily enjoying your pizza, do you even know what's happening around you?
What?
Do you know who Mr. Jaiswal is?
Who?
Mr. Jaiswal?
No. Who might that be? And why do I need to know?
Well, if you have swallowed your agenda of revenge on Kashish, the way you are swallowing your pizza right now, then you shouldn't be bothered about him. But if it's still there, try to find out as much as you can about the Rajwangshi family and Om Jaiswal.
Uday Bhaskar Rajwangshi. 3 children. Pranav Rajwangshi. Oh, he's an artist. Pranali Rajwangshi. Undermined by her father. Pratham Rajwangshi. Has been seeing Kashish for a while now. Om Jaiswal. Om Jaiswal. Om Jaiswal. Om Jaiswal is a family friend of the Rajwangshis. They have been meeting each other a lot. Something is fishy.
Ridya, I want you to prepare the annual sales report. You have a week's time.
Okay, ma'am. I will start working on it today. Ma'am, excuse me.
Yeah?
I had a very strange dream. In it, you killed Adarsh. Isn't that very strange? Whoever murdered my Adarsh will face my wrath.
Learn the difference between a dream and the reality. It is well known that Adarsh just died from a heart attack. So wake up and get to work. She is not as timid as I thought. She needs to be fixed. I remember how Adarsh used me to manipulate the sales report for his own benefit. Here also, it must be the same. Ridya, you have been fired.
What? Why?
That annual sales report you submitted, you have committed a blunder of 20 lakhs. You have not registered it in your report.
It would be kind on Kashish's part to not call the cops on you. You have committed a big blunder. I believe that you had some kind of motive, as this happened when you were working under Adarsh. All the transactions amounting to 20 lakhs contain your signatures and were passed by you. Yet there's no mention of it in the annual reports. Sign the resignation letter. Leave the office.
Okay. I will sign the letter. Hi, Pranali.
Hi, who are you?
Can you teach me to swim?
There are many instructors here who can teach you to swim.
But they can't teach me to swim with the sharks.
Do I know you?
I am Ritya Gill. I know that you know how to swim with the sharks and how this man's world is to a woman. I have some information which would be useful to you. You just have to help me in return.
What kind of information? And what would I need to do?
Hey Pratham, how was your day?
Oh God, I'm tired. I'm mentally exhausted.
Why, babe? What happened?
Pranali tried to commit suicide in the morning.
What?
Yeah, by consuming sleeping pills. The only thing which doesn't add up is that she did not take a lethal dose of it. I have a feeling that this was a gimmick.
My poor child. My princess. I can't bear to see you like this.
Papa.
No, dear. Let me speak. I have been the worst dad possible. This huge empire that your grandpa built and left on my shoulders. Your life is much dearer to me. I'm sorry for being a biased father. Tell me what you want.
And that's how she convinced her father to make her an assistant director. She is trying to take away the power from my hands.
Don't think about it a lot. A pawn may reach the other end of the board, but you will always remain the king. My king.
I know. And I trust you, Kashish. But this is just... Thank you all for being here at such a short notice. I would like to introduce to all of you a person very close to me, my sister Pranali Rajvangshi, who would be the new assistant director of the company. Please welcome Pranali.
Hey everyone, I'm Pranali. I'm sure it would be an absolute pleasure to work with you all. It shall be a humongous burden on my shoulders till I hone all my skills and I am acclimatized with my responsibilities and the work environment. However, I am not alone, as my assistant would be helping me with my work. I am sure she is no stranger to you. Please welcome Ritya Gill.
I understand that there were differences between the managerial committee and me. But I am sure that with Pranali at the other end of the desk, we can solve the differences in harmony.
What? Ritya? How is she back? And that too with Pranali's assistance.
How do I know why Pranali brought this useless employee back?
You have made your move. But the game is not over.
ये बात है पुरानी, कैसी पहले है ये, कैसी पहली जिंदगानी। हाँ रोका इसको किसने, है ये तो बहता पानी। कैसी पहले है ये, कैसी पहली जिंदगानी। ला 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 La 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 la, zoo 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 zoo, zoo 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 zoo. पीने से इसमें नशा, जिसने पिया लब में हंसा, पल में हंसाए और पल में रुलाई कहानी। कैसी पहल है ये, कैसी पहली जिंदगानी। थामा है रोका इसको किसने, है ये तो बहता पानी। कैसी पहल है ये, कैसी पहली जिंदगानी।